John Schumann, American Eagle Plumbing, owner, operator, plumbing, I guess, service, repair, replace, installation.
I mean, we're a return customer. Fantastic. I mean, Christian was always like really good in his process. So it was good. It was 2018, right? And I reached out to Scorpion and she's like, we are oversaturated, but I will give you some recommendations. So Plumber SEO was the top recommendation actually from Scorpion. I reached out to her and I'm like, the marketing person that we have is not working and you killing me because we're only 3 truck company and I need help. And she's like, I'm so sorry, girl. We can't take you on because Minneapolis, we're oversaturated. And so she gave me 3 companies, and Christian was an amazing human who like educated me a lot in the process. So, and like I said, when we came here, we tried Scorpion, but we came back.
Quickly didn't work.
So, and then after again failed with another company here, I'm like, Christian, I'm begging you, take us on, and it's gonna be forever. Promise. Never till death do us apart. So here's a long answer to your question. Plumber SEO always delivered results. I mean, like every time we came back, begging take us back on. And like I said, that's why I said till death do us apart. Unless we choose to shut it down, we're not going anywhere, because every time Plumber SEO always delivered consistent results. You guys are the best again with onboarding process. Like you really have seamless, it's not perfect, but like the best experience that I ever had with questionnaires and all the documents. I mean, it's so easy to follow through on questionnaires and just things like great communication.